bago kainin lahat ng bubuyog, tayo muna yung mag-harvest.
Well, you stop in the grocery store and you wanna stop another grocery store and you wanna stop another grocery store. Oh! Be honest here. Did you even just a friendly dinner? Did you even do that?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, Vietnam! Yan everything. Dito ako kahapon. Gamitin natin ito. Yap, gamitin natin si bat. Ganito. Ganito yung ang ganda nito guys. Malakas siya, malakas. I can water like from here. Hi Rox. Malayo tayo ngayon pero aabutin talaga din eh. Abot. Roxy. Let's see guys if he will kiss me. She will kiss me. Roxy. Kisses. Come here, kisses. Do you want something? You want? Roxy.
She says, oh, what a pain in my neck.
Roxy. Psst. Ay, naku. Okay, I'm going upstairs. Bye-bye. Okay, kisses. Please, we're gonna go up.
Call the other one, she'll come.
Roxy, kisses me. Come, Mama. Kiss, come here. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. Who wants to go up? Who wants to go up? Chicken. Quiet.
Morning, everything. I hunt.
Morning, everything. Roxy, can you give Mama a kiss? Okay. There's no kisses. Kisses, please. Roxy, come here. You want something? Give Mama a kiss. Kisses. You're so cute. The way kiss. Oh no! Look! Allow. She knows, guys. Look, she knows. Oh, look! Okay, upstairs. Upstairs. Come here. Let's go. Come up. Come. Up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, look, she's happy. You're so happy all the time, right? Why Misty's afraid all the time, oh? She's always afraid all the time. Come on. Hello guys, I harvested a zucchini from our garden. Zucchini from the garden. Look, naka-harvest tayo ng 5 na zucchini. So yung meron pa doon pero maliliit pa. Ito kinuha ko lang kasi malapit sa lupa. Kinuha ko lang sila dahil malapit sa lupa. At nasira lang.
Okay guys, harvest tayo ng raspberry. Look, ang daming bubulo. Ang dami. Quiet. Bago kainin lahat ng bubuyog, tayo muna yung mag-harvest. Natumba na oh. Diba? Ang dami. Daming raspberry. Ngayon, hugasan lang natin siya, guys. Ang gagawin ko kapag maghugas ako ng mga ganito, kasi hindi natin alam kung anong meron sa loob ng raspberry. So, ang gagawin ko is ganito. And, kuha tayo ng salt. At saka yun yung zucchini natin. Budburan natin ng salt yung tubig. May salt na yung tubig. And, ito. Yun. Pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. Ganyan. And, kasi paminsan guys, may makita akong mga worm sa loob. So, kapag ganon, may salt siya, yung tubig, lalabas yung wormy. Kung anon. Hindi man sila masama na worm. You know, sometimes we need worm in our body, but that's not kind of worm. Ngayong araw is, we're going to cut the grass. I'm going to cut the backyard, and Sammy will cut the front. And sobrang init, yun yung pinag-alala ko kapag si Tammy yung mag-cut. Kasi sobrang init. Yun, nakapag-harvest na tayo. And then, babalik ako sa labas kasi meron pa akong gawain. Ang gagawin ko sa labas is maglinis. Kunin ko lang yung mga old lettuce. Kinakain niya ng, I think, ilagay ko tong lettuce doon. Kasi merong bunny rabbit doon para makain nila. Wala nang laman yung container. Look, wala nang laman. Ito itapon ko to doon para yung bunny mag-enjoy. Doon sila palagi. Nagkakat na si Mr. sa labas. Nag-start na siya sa harapan. Ako naman dito sa likuran. And mamaya na yun guys kasi sobrang init pa. It's flat. 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 The other side, that there. You sure? Let me see. Because it's flat looking. This is the flat one. Did you check before? Oh, did you put air?
No.
Hala, oh, this is the one. Oh, look. Oh.
It's fine to me.
Hi guys! So yun guys, ito yung look natin ngayon. Ito lang din yung suot ko. Sapatos lang para ready lang ako pag gananin yung buhok para hindi masyadong masunog yung mukha. Kasi yung mukha isunog. Ganunin natin yung buhok. Tika muna. So, bantayan ko lang si Tami. Doon ako para ako na yung para pulihan ko siya. Ang tawag nito? Para pulihan ko siya para hindi talaga siya talagang mapagod kasi mas nakakaawa siya kapag siya yung talagang sobrang init, nakaka-stroke yung init guys, kaya yun. So doon na tayo. Hey guys! Ang voice na ako ba? Hi guys! parang anghel na nakaigit. Hi guys! Nagutom tuloy ako sa kakahintay sa kanya. Nagutom ako, hintay ako ng hintay. Kanina pa yan, 10 something, ngayon 12:30 na ng tanghali. Nagutom ako sa kakahintay, kaya kakain tayo ng ensaymada. Sige, pabayaan lang natin siya. Hindi naman ako yung pagod. Sobrang init guys. So yun yung pinag-alala ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako yung mapapagod. Gusto niya yan. Sige, go. Keep going. Nakatindig na ako doon. Sabi ko, ako na. Sabi niya, yan yung pinakamatigas. Yun yung pinakaayaw ko sa kanya talaga. Yung katigasan ng ulo. Gusto kong tulungan pero ayaw niya. Gusto niyang siya. And yun yung pinaka ito ensaymada tayo. So yun yung pinakaayaw ko sa kanya guys, yung hindi makinig, yung nag-alala ako para sa kanya pero yun ayaw talagang makinig. So hindi pa ako nakapag-cut sa sa loob ng fence niya ako gustong mag-cut. Sabi ko ako dapat talasag buong likuran. Pero yun, ang tigas talaga niya, guys. Alam niyo, itong si Tami, mabait, talkative, friendly, ganyan yan siya. Pero yung pinakaayaw sa kanya is yung katigasan ng ulo. And also, isa pa yung pinakaayaw ko sa kanya is yung parang makikita mo siyang curlies ba sa mga gamit. Gusto niyang masisira, kaya ayusin. Yun yung nakikita ko sa kanya, guys. Gusto niyang masisira para ayusin niya. So, yan. Kakain lang ako. I think almost na siya. Matapos siya. Tinali ko yung buhok ko, guys.
They're amazing.
Ha?
Those are amazing.
Yun, hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog din ngayong araw. Dahil ang inuna namin yung mga papel sa alam nyo na, tax. So, yun yung inuna namin. It's July, but the show is Christmas. Oh, I'm not doing any garlic, guys. Just this. Onion only. He took a shower but never brushed his hair, look.
Well, I'm asleep on my head.
Yeah. What are you drinking? Almond? Pahikain ng snack to. That's the tiring part of my day. Giving them, especially in the morning and afternoon, both of it. Giving treats, I'm not worried, but the feeding them. I'm tired of feeding them, guys. That's the tiring part of my day. It's like I've been doing this since we got them. It's like feeding them and staring at us. Look. Ang daming papel dito, guys, kasi, look. Kasi hindi pa kami tapos sa mga ginagawa. Nagkukulik pa kami, may kulang pa, ganun. So, matagalan talaga. You have any extension of the tax?
Can.
No, but we cannot do extension, right?
Yes, can.
But you're not filing in October.
Well, you want to feed them dinner now, or you want me to just give them a few treats?
No, he is hungry. Look at him. He's over there, look. He's looking at you. He's so cute. He's coming and he's coming. Nowhere, nowhere.
Let's see what food they get you. A can or a pouch?
Baby, I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. Pouch? That's a different pouch.
These are the warm ones.
You take the food out, put in the dish, hit it. That's what I always do. Warm and serve. So that's what it is. I warm it.
Read the bottom. Read the bottom.
Dip in warm water. What the heck is wrong with you?
Do not microwave.
You're right. It says that. But of course, you don't have to microwave the pouch. You can cook the thing. The snow is falling down. Fairy laughing all around. Like the sun on. You shall come true. Okay, be honest here. Be honest here. What are you tired of me? Like you're tired of something about me.
Am I tired of?
Yeah.
I don't know. What am I tired of?
Like you like get annoyed, tired of listening, tired of about me that you don't like.
Well, that's what I don't like, hon. I mean, sometimes you get annoying when you like accuse me of stuff.
Like what?
That I don't really like.
Like what?
You say, oh, you look at that one, you look at this one, you look at that one.
May pagkasilosa pa rin ako, guys.
Go on, Jen.
Konti. Konti lang talaga.
I don't think so.
Han, do I worse before, right? Be honest here. I'm worse before, right?
Yeah, she was way worse before.
Okay, what I don't like about you? Something sometimes.
Well, you want to make a list and then get back to me? I'll get you a pad.
Honey, do you wanna know? Do you wanna listen?
Yeah.
Do you? Hold on. Okay, the thing that I annoyed about you and I don't like is paperwork. I get annoyed and I don't like how you handle it. Bills and it's grocery shopping. That I hate the most. The shopping thing that you can control yourself.
Well.
You stop in the grocery store and you wanna stop another grocery store and you wanna stop another grocery store.
Oh, that reminds me, I wanted to go out and get some water today.
Also, you wanna get more?
Yeah. Alaka!
You just get water.
I know. It's on sale this week.
No, this is the thing, guys. Look, we just went yesterday.
We go through a lot of water.
Yes, yun yung pinaka-ano ko talaga, pinaka-ayaw ko kay Tami. Ang pinaka-ayaw niya sa akin is yung yung pagkasilosa ko. And I want to be honest with you guys, before was the worst ever. Like, I can tell you that because it's my feelings of jealousy. Before was worse. Honestly, we fight, okay? We fight and mom was involved. Like, I cry and mom went upstairs. What happened, sweetheart? What happened, honey? Yeah, I remember. I was worse, right?
Yeah.
It's like I call him at work. I won't stop calling, guys, just to fight. Now, I don't even call him if he's working. I don't even call him. He called me, but I don't even call him anymore at work. Like, because I don't want to annoy him. I know he is busy. Before, guys, I don't care. I don't care. He's talking with somebody. I call him. If he doesn't answer, I call the workplace. Right, Han? Remember that? I call the place that you went to the other state for work. And when he doesn't answer, I freak out for 2 hours. And the people that he's working with, that area, that building, I called them and they said, they've been out for a while already. I freak out. And then she is working with a woman that time with the company. And I thought they're having dinner and she bring that woman to the hotel. And that's the first, like, how many like 2-3 years of our marriage, right? I think that was like 2-3 years of our
I don't
marriage.
even remember what state that was in.
That was Chicago. No. I don't know what state. He went other state. He went to the other state and working with a Sony company. And he's working with a woman. And I think I still believe from now I still believe that I can contact him, okay? And there is a signal over there. I think, honey, you went out dinner with a woman, said let's go out for dinner together, and then you just don't want to tell me. Be honest here. Did you even just a friendly dinner? Did you even do that?
No.
You just don't want me to get mad because you know me.
That's true too.
Hindi man ako perfectong tao. I'm not perfect, you know, but I was worse and I'm kind of okay now. Compared to before. Before I was like, he is my man. My only man. I cannot share him with you. He is only mine.
Holy chipmunk!
Tapos na, guys. It smells good, guys. Zucchini. It smells good with onion. Tapos na, guys. Yun siya. Anyway, guys, that's the reality of jealousy and reality of our marriage. You know, we love each other, but we are not perfect. He is jealous sometimes, but he is just very calm and doesn't want to say anything. Pero, yeah, yun yung realidad ng buhay. Han, there is something in their hand. Hindi pa siya umulan, guys. It's not raining yet. Hello, guys! It's already 8:30 na ng gabi. Pero, gabi na 8:30, look. May araw pa rin. Kasi, ganyan yan pag summer. Pag summer is, it's still, you know, wala namang araw, pero paggabi na siya. Even though it's 8 o'clock almost, you know, it's 8:30. I opened the bathroom, guys. Kasi itong bathroom, naka-close siya palagi. Ang problema kasi kapag naka-close palagi, yung air conditioning dyan sa baba, nag-ano siya, yung palibot-libot lang dito, ganun-ganon. So, every time na papasok kami dito, yung bathroom is maginaw talaga siya. So, yun. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow in another itong vlog. Look, ito yung bedroom namin, guys. Every time naka-open yung door, ang una namin makikita is yung kitchen. Yung kitchen. Kaya, pag magluluto ng umaga, magising talaga kasi maamoy mo talaga. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Ito lang yung video natin, guys. Wala masyadong ganap. And I will see you tomorrow. The same thing. We're gonna end the vlog right here with my husband lying down on the couch. And this, because this is okay, Han. Bye-bye. See bye-bye na. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pasensya na, guys, ha. Wala masyadong ganap today. Nakalimutan ko palang isara. Ito. Kasi, guys, yung mga ano dito, yung mga hindi natin alam ano kung sino yung tao sa labas, and then patingin-tingin dito sa loob, klarong-klaro talaga. So the same dito, inopen ko siya para naman yung pusa mag-ano sila, mag-enjoy. Yun, kaya naka-open ngayon. Anyway, guys, bye.